Hola y bienvenidos a Módulos uno y 2. Welcome to Modules 1 and 2. So this is just to give you a little overview of how the modules work. Modules 1 and 2 are going to be a little bit different than the other modules just because I know that everybody is still getting their textbooks. So some of the assignments are going to be a little bit different just because of that. But every module, you'll see, like, so if we click on Module 1, we see the dates at the top and you'll see the overview video. And then we have readings and resources and assignments. So every module will have a section of things to read. So this is usually a combination of like textbook pages, articles, PowerPoints, and then there can be some videos to watch and some things to listen to, like recordings to listen to. So make sure you go through all of that stuff first. And then we have the assignments. So because I know everybody doesn't have their books, under the readings, it does have textbook pages, but you won't need those pages to complete the assignments just yet. So for the Module 1 assignments, we have the discussion board for introduction. So make sure you just, go answer those questions, introduce yourself, respond to other people. Your first initial post is due on Wednesday, and then the responses are due on Sunday. We also have the first speaking assignment. So this one is just in English, and you're just going to introduce yourself real quick to me in English. This is just to make sure that you know how to do the recordings. You need to record directly into D2L. So just make sure that you're able to do that. Your microphone works, that you're able to submit it without any issues. There's the academic integrity policy that you need to sign. You can either print it and sign it or just e-sign it, or even just write in the comments that you read it and agree. And then the first module's quiz, again, it's not actually on the textbook stuff. It's just to make sure you understand how the quizzes work. It's questions about like the calendar and stuff. And so just make sure you look through the start here information. Okay. We do have the first homework packet. There's homework packets due every module every week. The first homework packet is actually going to be due at the end of the second module, because for that you do need your textbook. So make sure that you get your book as soon as possible, but you do have like 2 weeks to get it. So start working on it. The homework packets, you have unlimited attempts. You could submit it as many times as you want until you get the grade that you want. The quizzes, you only have one attempt, and once you open them, you must finish them. The Module 1 assignments will establish your attendance in the course. So because this is a fully online course, we have no Zoom or face-to-face meetings, you have to establish your attendance by submitting assignments, by submitting these Module 1 assignments. If you don't submit the Module 1 assignments, the registrar will remove you from the course for non-attendance, but you still have to pay for the course. So please make sure to submit the Module 1 assignments to establish your attendance. Okay, if we look at Module 2, the readings and resources are actually going to be the same as Module 1. It is the textbook pages, but now it's actually into the content. So like Module 1, get through all your setup, check all your tech stuff. Module 2, actually start learning Spanish, start going through the Spanish stuff. So again, it's the same things there. And then we have homework packet 2 and homework packet 1 from Module 1 is also due January 21st. The speaking assignment, you will be answering the questions in Spanish about yourself. And then for the quiz, it's about the content, which is like the verb. It's like the introduction stuff from the readings. Okay. So that the quiz is about the pages, the book pages and things like that. And again, once you open the quiz, you have to finish it and you only get one attempt on that. So don't click on it till you're ready to take it. The homework packets you can come in and out of, and you could take as many times as you want, but the quiz, just the one time. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I'm always around by email. You can text me, whatever. I'm here for you guys. So, let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.